Okay, what we have here is a Singer 211G 151 heavy-duty industrial sewing machine, capable of sewing heavy fabrics, canvases, leathers. I've sewed leather up to 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm going to try going a little bit heavier today just to show you. What I'm selling here is the machine's fully serviced, new foot, new grasp on the bottom. It's been all cleaned, serviced, and timed. Just got to get yourself a table and a good servo motor. You can run it at a slow speed, do your projects. I'm going to put one piece in to start, which is a piece of cake for this thing. I have it set on the maximum length right now, so you can see the stitches better. Now one piece of cake for this thing. I'm going to put 2 in. Two pieces of leather is about 3/16 of an inch, I think. Of course, I'm doing this by hand because I don't have a table and a motor for it. I just got the machine in and serviced it. It's too hard to ship tables with motors and stuff on them. There's a real nice. Okay, real nice stitch. Gonna put 3 in now. I would say that 3 pieces of leather here is probably your maximum. Comfortably doing it. I know it'll take 4. This is a needle feed. You can see the needle moving along with the bottom feed plate. Pulls the product in nicely. Okay, as you can see, 3 pieces, about 1/4 of an inch. Nice clean stitch. Pulling it up through the bottom nicely. It's when you get your tensions adjusted right. Now you will have to play with your tensions, do different types of materials. But once you get your tensions set right, you'll be all set. I'm gonna cut one more piece here. Put 4 in just to show you. Okay. Now, 4 is pretty tight under the foot, but it will go. There we go. So depending on what kind of a motor you put on it and what kind of a gear, I like to run big pulleys on the top and small ones on the bottom. This machine does have a small pulley on the top, so you'd have to go to, I would recommend a servo motor with the smallest pulley that you could get on it. There you go, 4 pieces, about 5/16 of an inch. Nice stitch, pulling up nicely on the bottom. Without making any adjustments, you know, if you start to have any problems, you can adjust your tension. Timing's right on. There you go, folks. Bit on a tone it.